Greetings everyone, happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. Here's your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. Senate Democrat Joe Manchin is officially ready to support a Democratic-only infrastructure bill. This is awesome news, everyone. Today is also the last day for you to opt out of monthly stimulus relief payments. Many are also urging that Congress pass a Social Security payment boost. This coming Friday night, I will be announcing more winners of my $75 Amazon gift card giveaway. Please do enter my giveaway. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and please remember to leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone. Democratic Senator Joe Manchin said on Tuesday that he is supportive of going forward with a larger Democratic-only infrastructure bill, but that it shouldn't be linked to a separate bipartisan framework. During an interview on MSNBC, Joe Manchin said that he had been assuming since day one that Democrats would have to use a reconciliation, a budget process that allows them to bypass a 60-vote legislative filibuster. A budget process that allows them to bypass a 60-vote legislative filibuster to pass a larger infrastructure bill because Republicans do not want to make changes to the 2017 tax bill. Joe Manchin stated, "We are going to have to work it through reconciliation, which I have agreed that can be done. I just haven't agreed on the amount because I haven't seen everything that everyone is wanting to put in the bill."
Maybe the most important among them is extending the child tax credit, which will significantly benefit middle class and working folks. Let me explain what that is. Pretty soon, taxpayers in America are going to get a significant check back from the IRS. For example, if you have to pay taxes and you have a good income, you get to deduct $2,000 per dependent, per child. And that comes off the bottom line of your taxes, and you probably still owe more after that's cut off. But for families who in fact don't have that big a tax bill, they don't get anything from this. So we changed the law this year, and it's cutting child poverty by 40%. And here in Wisconsin, by July 15th, we're going to start they're going to be picking up the phone and calling you and say, "Thanks, God." They're going to get checks from the IRS. Here's what it is. For every child you have under the age of 6, you're going to get $3,600. And for every child under the age over the age of 12, you're going to get $3,000. So you'll actually get a cash payment instead of just a credit against your taxes, because you don't pay that many taxes if you're making the minimum wage, or you're making $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 a year. And people say, "Well, that's a giveaway." Hey guys, I think it's time to give ordinary people a tax break. The wealthy are doing fine. I mean it. I mean it. Why is this not a tax break for working folks when the stuff we give to the super wealthy are called tax breaks? Look, major action on clean energy, housing, caregiving, on child and paid leave, universal pre-K, free community college.
So everyone, do you think that our lawmakers should use the budget reconciliation process? I would love to hear your thoughts. Please leave them in the comment section below. Senator Manchin also added that the Senate can go through the process on putting together a larger package that includes so-called human infrastructure, knowing that Democrats will probably have to go to reconciliation, and then we do what we can afford to do. Manchin's comments come after he had told reporters last week that he viewed a Democratic-only reconciliation bill as inevitable, handing a significant boost to Democrats' strategy. Democrats are still in the early stages of trying to figure out how big to go in a Democratic-only infrastructure bill, but they have no room for error in the Senate, where they need all 50 of their members and Vice President Kamala Harris to pass an infrastructure bill under reconciliation. Joe Manchin has long been viewed as the biggest holdout on greenlighting a Democratic-only bill. Senate Budget Committee Chairman Bernie Sanders has proposed going as high as $6 trillion, but that figure has garnered pushback from other Democrats, including Joe Manchin, who believe it is too high. Budget Committee Democrats are expected to talk this week to hash out more details of the budget resolution that lays out the instructions for the Democratic-only bill. Everyone, should Democrats continue to negotiate with Republicans? Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Former presidential candidate Senator Elizabeth Warren has advocated for a temporary increase in Social Security benefits as part of a congressional stimulus package to aid in financial relief. Democratic Senator Ron Wyden also supports the increase in Social Security benefits. Senator Wyden noted that older Americans are scared about the future as they watch their retirement savings disappear and as this crisis shocks the U.S. economy. The politicians proposed a $200 increase in the monthly benefits for all Social Security, veterans, and supplemental security income beneficiaries through the end of 2021. Wyden and Warren both stated this will put about $4,000 in the pockets of seniors and people with disabilities who have earned this benefit by contributing to the Social Security with every paycheck. A simple benefit increase like this will improve the lives of millions of Americans and help our economy stabilize and recover. A one-time $250 benefit was sent to Social Security and SSI recipients after the 2008 economic crisis as part of the American Recovery and Reinvestment Act. I definitely agree with passing an increase for SSI beneficiaries. Everyone, if you agree, please leave a comment below. Now, if you are a parent who wants to opt out of the first monthly payment of the boosted child tax credit, you have to do so before the end of this day. The Internal Revenue Service released a new tool last week that lets families verify their eligibility for the credit and unenroll from the monthly payments, which is worth about $250 to $300 per child, and instead receiving a lump sum payment when they file their tax return in 2022. Coming versions of the tool will allow people to view their payment history, adjust bank account information or mailing addresses, and other features. According to the Internal Revenue Service, to stop the advance payments, families must opt out using the online portal 3 days before the first Thursday of the next month for the first round of payments, which are scheduled to go out on July 15th. If families earn too much money to qualify for the tax credits, they can still receive the $2,000 credit for their children if their income level is below $200,000 for individuals and $400,000 for married couples. However, because the enhanced credit is based on tax returns from 2019 and 2020, families that are earning more money in 2021 should be aware that if they are overpaid by the IRS, they will have to return that money next April during tax season. Everyone, thank you so much for watching my video. I greatly appreciate that. I hope you found this video helpful this afternoon. Please don't forget to enter my $75 Amazon gift card giveaway. All you need to do is subscribe to my channel, share and like this video, and also leave a comment below. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a wonderful and blessed Tuesday afternoon.